Guys, today we're taking a look at something a little bit different and honestly, pretty clever. This is the brand new OneMe T5 Smart Pillbox, and on the surface you'd probably think it's just a sleek little headphone case, but inside it's actually a discreet smart pill organiser designed to help you stay on top of your daily meds or supplements. Now, it's launching this October and I've been testing it for a while. So let's unbox it, go over the features and see if it's actually worth adding into your tech/lifestyle arsenal. So stick around, I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with See Through a Lens and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, what exactly is this little gadget? Well, on the outside, it looks like something you'd slip into your pocket alongside your earbuds, but it's actually designed to completely change the way you manage your daily meds or supplements. Rather than relying on your memory, this OneMe T5 gives you the ability to ensure that you never forget a dose of whatever you've got to take. Now, before we get into it, OneMe reached out and asked me to take a look at this T5, where tech meets lifestyle, and give it an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and first off you'll spot the user manual. Now this is nice and straightforward so you can get up and running without having to dig through a giant booklet. Next up, there's this lovely velvet pouch, and I actually like this because it makes the product feel more premium, and you know what, it makes it feel less like a medical product, and it's going to keep your device protected if you're throwing it into a bag. Now you also get a USB-C charging cable because yes, this thing is powered. And finally guys, the star of the show, the T5 Smart Pillbox itself. And honestly, first impressions are solid. It looks nothing like a pillbox. It's got a modern, compact design, more like a pair of wireless headphones than something you'd pull out at a pharmacy. So guys, let's talk features because this is where this bad boy gets really interesting. I mean, like I said, the design is super discreet. I mean, it's not AirPod size, right? In fact, it's quite a big case, but when you think of what you've got going on in here, it's not that surprising. You still can slip it in your pocket. You can take it with you on the train, on a flight, or just use it at home and no one would know that you've actually got your medication inside. Now guys, inside the case, you've got customizable compartments. You just slip this out and you've got all of these compartments, and whether you're someone that takes 1 or 2 vitamins a day or multiple prescriptions, you can arrange it exactly how you like. On top of that, there's a child safety lock built in, which I think is a brilliant move, because you know what? We all want that peace of mind if we've got little ones around the house. Now guys, here's the part that I wasn't expecting at all. This pillbox actually comes with OWS headphones tucked inside. So you're getting 2 products in one. You're getting your daily medication organizer and a set of open ear wireless headphones, which means you can stay on top of your health while also having your music, podcasts, or calls all covered. And it's all in one sleek private device. Now guys, onto the reminder functions. Now you can set this box to buzz, give you a voice alert, or even ping you with a notification through the app. So whether you prefer something silent or you need a louder nudge, you're covered. And speaking of the app, because yeah, of course, there's a dedicated app, You can download it, connect straight to the pill box, and from there you can schedule reminders, track doses, and basically take full control from your phone. I mean, yes, you've got the display on here, you've got an LED display and all of the controls to be able to set up your reminders and all of that stuff, but you know what? It's a lot more intuitive from the phone. It's all very clean and user-friendly, which, you know what, makes a lot of sense. I mean, the whole point of this type of device is to make life simpler, not more complicated. And guys, using this T5 is easy. I mean, let's say you're commuting into work, right? Pop open what looks like your headphone case and discreetly take your vitamins or medication. No one around you has any idea of what you're doing, and you can also be grabbing your headphones to listen to a podcast or some tunes on the way into work. Or maybe you're traveling and you just want something compact that keeps your meds safe, reminds you when to take them, and doesn't scream pillbox every time you pull it out. I mean, this really ticks that box. And even if you're at home, you can still keep everything organized and private with those handy reminders, so you never need to miss a dose. It's one of those gadgets that just sort of blends into your lifestyle without making it a bit of a song and dance. And guys, I've got to say, because of the open ear design of the headphones, yeah, they're not punchy bass, but you know what? The sound quality is clean and it keeps you in tune with your surroundings. So you know what, guys? There you have it. What do you think about this OneMe T5? Well, I'll tell you what I think about it. I like it. It's really discreet. It looks more like a lifestyle gadget than a health device, which is great for people who want to keep things private. The battery life is excellent. It's 80 days. I mean, that's ridiculous compared to most smart devices. And the reminder system is flexible enough to suit pretty much everyone. And add the app in and the customizable compartments, the child lock, and even those open ear headphones, and it's a very clever package. Now, of course, it's not going to be for everyone, right? If you've already got a system that works for you, you might not want to change. But for anyone who struggles to keep on top of their medication or just wants something smarter and more convenient, especially when traveling, I think the OneMe T5 is a fantastic option. And guys, as I said, this OneMe T5 smart pill box is launching this October, and I think it's going to be very, very interesting. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to OneMe for sending this cool piece of tech meets lifestyle to me to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.